Afternoon teacher and hello everyone. Today I will show you about advanced classification method by using simple vector machine and a neural network with scikit-learn. For the import library, import pandas or PD. Pandas is a powerful library for data manipulation and analysis. It allows you to work easily with data, with tabular data like row and column by using data frame and serial. From sklearn.model.selection import training test flip. Add the function slip your data into training set and test set subset. It helps you to test how well your model perform on unseen data. From sklearn.svm import svc. Is a model based on support vector machine. It's great for classification problems like spam detection, image classification. From sklearn neural network, import classification is a type of supervised artificial neural network. It consists of layers of neurons that can learn complete relationships. Work well for nonlinear classification tasks. From sklearn.matrix, import conversion matrix. Is a conversion matrix show how many relations were correct and incorrect. It's a table with true position, true negative, false positive, and false negative. From sklearn.matrix, import accuracy score. Measure how often the classification correctly predict the labels. It gives a quick idea of how well your model performs overall. Sklearn.matrix import classification reports. It generates a detailed performance report of a class showing precision how many predict positions are actual correct, recall how many actual position was correctly identified as one score, harmonic mean of precision and recall, support how many samples there are for each class. And this step we get the dataset. This data is a salary purchase it. These elements should be the same size. And this step we convert the data into data frame by using the s equal pd.dataframe function, and we call data run. And we make sure it correct, we print the data. You see data have 3 column and 12 row, and we make sure it correct size of row and column. Yeah, it correct 12 row and 3 column. In this step we define target x and y. H feature used for prediction and y the target variable. And now step 2. Step 2, slip data into training set and test set. And then we train 75% and we test 25%. And I train so train set the train set, and 75% is 9 row. Now we print test set and 3 row. Step 3. Step 3 SVM classifier implementation. SVM classifier equal SVC canal linear, C equal 1.0, random state 42. Canal linear use linear decision boundary, and C equal 1.0, irregular recession parameter which control how strictly the model try to classify every training data point correctly. And this step we training data by U linear and random state 42. Y underscore predict underscore SVM equal SVM underscore classifier dot predict x test. It predict result on test data x test. And then we print result of test. This is result of test. 10 no witches, 9 witches, and 0 no witches. And this time we creating a conversion matrix. And then we extract NT, SP, TP, and SN. And this TN, this SP, SN, TP. And then we evaluate accuracy comparing true level y test, again predict y predict DT. And done. And this step we extract accuracy might vary due to randomness and small sample size. Done. Yeah. This is the classification, precision, because S1 score support, and no witches. Precision 1.0, recall 1.00, it means it's perfect. And the chest precision 1.0, recall 1.0, and it means perfect. And support no chest 2, and the chest is 1, it means it's the sample size. Right now it's all the end. Thank you teacher and everyone for paying attention.